Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a keto friendly recipe, and also I'm going to be doing a little bit of cleaning for you guys. I know you love those types of videos, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love mommy and lifestyle. But let's get to the video.
I am in the living room now. I am picking up a few items, putting everything back where it should go, fixing the couches, getting them all cleaned up from all the mess that we had going on, and yeah, basically cleaning the living room. So now to our side table, I'm basically taking everything off of it, blew the candle out, wiping it down, putting everything back. So I'm moving the coffee table and baby girl is playing in her little chair. I'm gonna vacuum the carpet, the rug especially. It always seems to get dirty, I guess because it's white, but just getting the living room all straightened up. Now I'm in the dining room. I'm taking everything off of our dining room table. As you can tell, it is a mess. Yes, I am a mommy, so I just tend to put things randomly all over the place, but I really need to try to get more organized since that'd be better for me in my life. But basically that's what we're doing here, putting everything up and wiping the table down. So I bought this cute little calendar I got from Walmart. We're trying to be more organized, like I said in the last clip. But I'm just writing a cute little saying and writing what I need to do for this month. So now we're in the laundry room. I'm basically taking everything out of the dryer. I needed to get another basket, so I told my husband to bring me one. And now I am taking things out of the washing machine, putting it in the dryer, just doing some laundry basically. Who loves doing laundry? I don't. So now I'm going to wipe off the stove and the counter just to get it all clean. Yes, I'm going to mess it up again, but I want to get it all clean before I start cooking. That tends to help me stay organized while I'm cooking. So now my husband is helping me cook while I'm taking care of baby girl. He's taking the chicken breast out of this cute little package here that we got at Walmart. It comes with multiple packages of chicken, if that makes sense, so it could be individually wrapped so we don't have to use them all at one time, which is very handy. So what you need for your keto meal is some salt and pepper, and then some garlic powder, also some sun-dried tomatoes, baby spinach, and shredded cheese and cream cheese, and of course you can't forget your chicken. Just preheat your oven to 425. Now that the oven is preheating, I'm going to take the defrosted chicken and cut it in half. No, this is not neat what I'm doing, but the instructions said to cut it in half. And now I'm washing the chicken off. You should always wash your chicken off and then dry it off when you put it in your pan. So now I'm just putting salt and pepper on my chicken, and then I'm going to cut up some baby spinach. I'm taking off these stems. I don't like the stems on my spinach, but you can leave it on there if you want to, but I tend to take them off of my spinach. So now I am heating up my pan, putting some olive oil in there so we can cook the spinach. So while the spinach is cooking, we're going to take our cream cheese that I have here and put it in this bowl, and then I'm going to heat it up in the microwave for 20 seconds. Time to mix everything together, so I put the spinach in my melted cream cheese, and now I'm adding in my sun-dried tomatoes, just mixing it all together. So now that my chicken is done cooking, I'm going to add the cream cheese mixing that I made just a second ago and put it on top of the chicken. So now while I'm doing that, I'm going to add some cheddar cheese on top, put it in the oven, let that melt for 5 minutes on top, and now I'm taking it out of the oven since 5 minutes is up. That was so fast, but this is the finished product. So the food was very yummy, but now it's time to clean the kitchen, get it all ready for the night. So right now I'm wiping down the counter with some Mrs. Meyer's and the stove, and now I'm gonna empty the dishwasher so I can reload it with all of the dirty dishes. Who loves to do dishes in the dishwasher? I do. It's so helpful.
Alright guys, you could probably hear baby girl in the background, but that's okay, mommy life. But if you enjoyed my video, give this video a thumb up, and please subscribe, tell your friends and family to subscribe, share my videos if you would like. But I'll see you in my next video. Bye!